कैबिन क्रू हम कैसे बने, कैसे अप्लाई करना होता है, इंटरव्यू किधर होता है, इंटरव्यू इजी होता है या नहीं, कैबिन क्रू फॉर्म किस वेबसाइट पर भरें। दिस वीडियो इज गोइंग टू हैव ऑल योर आंसर्स। हाय गाइस, आई एम आरुषि बेदी, योर कैबिन क्रू एंड कम्युनिकेशन कोच। एंड आज की वीडियो में सबसे पहले we will go over the eligibility criteria real quick for men and for women, and then we will talk about how to apply for Indigo Airlines for women, and then how to apply for Akasa Airlines for men and women both, because Akasa hires men as well. We won't be talking about Air India because Air India अभी hire नहीं कर रहा है. So let's begin this video without any further delay. सब domestic airlines का एक eligibility criteria है और आज हम one by one discuss करेंगे age, height, language fluency, documents required, weight, tattoo and scar policy. सबसे पहले let's talk about age criteria. Age criteria is 18 to 27. मतलब आप minimum 18 to 27 years के होने चाहिए at the time of applying. If you are 27 running, that is also absolutely okay. Good thing is that only Akasa Airlines is willing to consider you even if you are 28, because their criteria is 18 to 28. Please remember, this age criteria is for freshers to get into the airline as a cabin crew. It is not your work limit कि 18 to 27 तक ही आप काम कर सकते हो. No, it is the criteria for you to join the airline as a fresher. Once you join, you can work for as long as you like, even 45, 50. There is no such thing कि age ज़्यादा है तो they will remove you. It's a myth. Second criteria, we have height. For height, minimum height is 155 centimeters for women, which is a little more than 5 feet 1 inches. For men, for Akasa Air, the height requirements are 167.5 centimeters. And आप सब height को लेकर काफी questions पूछते हो, so yes, they are very very strict about their height criteria. Third eligibility criteria is language fluency. So English and Hindi language आपको fluently आनी चाहिए. हिंदी तो हम सबको आती है, but English language is a barrier for most of us. And yes, English fluency, communication skills, कॉन्फिडेंस, बॉडी लैंग्वेज, ये सब बहुत ज़्यादा मैटर करता है. एंड दिस इज द रीज़न why most candidates get rejected, because they lack these skills. And airlines definitely are very particular about who they choose to be the brand ambassadors of their airline, because yes, as a cabin crew, you are representing the airline. They will know if your answers are memorized. They can tell very easily. So आप जितना भी आंसर याद कर लो, the moment they cross question you or ask you something that's out of the box, you can fumble, you may freeze, you may suddenly lose all your confidence, and that's where they will know. So if you are someone who is very serious about this career but you lack these interpersonal skills, don't forget to check out my one-on-one coaching sessions. One of them is Speak English with Confidence and Clarity, which is for people who have very weak English skills. Because we need to first improve your English skills, only then we can focus on communication or interview questions. However, on the other hand, if you have average, above average English skills, but your major concern is confidence issues, shyness, you understand English, your reading skills are great, but you have issues when it comes to speaking. I understand English but I can't speak. कि आपको पता है आपको क्या बोलना है, बोल नहीं पाते हो, freeze हो जाते हो, or you've just struggled with a lot of rejection in cabin crew interviews. Cabin crew interview preparation mastery coaching sessions one-on-one are going to be the best pick for you. I have launched these sessions because I know how important it is for you to become a cabin crew. How much does it matter to you? And I don't want you to get rejected, because it's not easy. For the interview also, you'll buy formal clothes, you'll maybe buy makeup, you'll buy hair accessories, and then going to the interview only to get rejected because either you solely based it on luck, or you thought watching a few random videos and self-practice will save you. I hope it does save you. But still, there is a lot of preparation required for people who really lack these skills. For some people, interviews are not even conducted in their hometown, so the process requires a lot of traveling, and I just know how much effort goes into this thing. And that's why I want to help you be your best self before you even appear for the interview. The link to my one-on-one coaching programs is in the description box. Up next, we have a mandatory document, which is your passport. You must have a passport at the time you are appearing for the interview. If you don't have a passport, you should at least have a police verification certificate that you can attach to show that your passport is going to be coming very soon, because yes, passport is a mandatory document. Now we have our fifth guideline, which is body weight. तो आपका body weight आपके BMI के according एक healthy weight range में होना चाहिए. Severely overweight or severely underweight is not going to be accepted. Our sixth criteria is no visible tattoos or scars. So visible areas are the ones that are visible, like your arms, lower legs, your face, your neck, back of the neck. So अगर कोई visible tattoo या scar है, it will not be allowed. Seventh is educational experience. Basic educational experience for a fresher is 12th pass and your subject does not matter. Some airlines don't even mention कि मार्क्स कितने होने चाहिए, while some mention that it should be at least 50%. तो आप अभी ग्रेजुएट हो, मास्टर्स कर रहे हो, कोई कॉर्पोरेट जॉब कर रहे हो, you are more than eligible to apply on the basis of this criteria. ये सब मैटर ही नहीं करता, which also means कोई इंस्टीट्यूट से, अकेडमी से कोई कोर्स करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. It doesn't matter and it's not even an advantage. ऐसा मत सोचना कि आप इंस्टीट्यूट से कोर्स करके जाओगे तो इंटरव्यू में रिक्रूटर इज गोइंग टू गिव यू एन एडवांटेज दैट ओके आई एम गोइंग टू फेवर दिस कैंडिडेट बिकॉज दे वेंट टू एन इंस्टीट्यूट वर्सेस समबडी हु डिडंट गो टू एन इंस्टीट्यूट. It does not matter. Airlines don't care. There's a high chance that someone who has better English skills may get selected over somebody who went to an institute, because that's exactly what happened with me. I saw a lot of candidates who had come, at the interview location and they got rejected and they had institute certificates and I was the one who didn't have anything. I've also made a full video on this topic to make all of you really aware about it and I will link it here. It's called The Reality of Institutes. Make sure you watch it. So ये हो गया हमारा basic eligibility criteria. If you qualify this criteria, you are more than eligible to go and apply and give the interview. But now let's talk about how to apply. Apply कैसे करना है? So आज सबसे पहले मैं Indigo Airlines की बात करूँगी and then we'll talk about the application process of Akasa Air. So for Indigo hires only women. What you need to do is you need to go to jobs.goindigo.in first of all, and Indigo conducts walk-in interviews almost every month. They hire very frequently, which is great. So the moment you go to jobs.goindigo.in, click on hiring events. The moment you click on this, you scroll down and you will see cabin attendant grade trainee, and iske niche you will have the address of all the cabin crew walk-in interviews happening across India. For the March, there were around 45 events. So you can imagine there are high chances that the interview could be happening close to where you live. So the question is, अगर ये walk-in interview है तो इसमें apply करना ज़रूरी है? Do we really have to apply? Yes, you need to apply. Applying only means that you are letting the airline know that this is my name, these are my details, and I will be attending the interview at this location. You are just registering yourself that yes, I'll come and give the interview. And अगर आप बिना apply भी जा सकते हो, and the moment you go there without applying, they will ask you at the venue, please apply, please fill this portal. So it is better to do it before, because there's a list of documents, I'll list it here, that you need to attach, and on your interview day, you shouldn't be bothering with all of this. Your entire focus should be on the interview. इसलिए पहले से ही register कर देना. So apply कैसे करना है? Go back to the homepage jobs.goindigo.in, click on all jobs, click on in-flight services. And the moment you see cabin attendant grade trainee, you have to click on that one. That's for freshers. You will see an apply now button. You have to click on that, create an account with your email and just fill the application. If you have a technical glitch and you are not able to submit the application, बहुत सारे candidates के साथ होता है, you can just take a screenshot and go to the event and show it to them that I tried filling but I couldn't. For interview attire, half sleeve white shirt, or can be any color shirt quite honestly, with a knee length pencil skirt, sheer stockings, sheer skin color or black color also works. Your heels should be closed toe, black color, and neat, bright makeup, small stud or pearl earrings, hair tied in a bun. Front styling में आप pull back कर सकते हो, or you can do a side parting or a middle parting. depending on whatever suits your face frame. Polished nails or even French manicure is alright. You can wear a watch, but a simple silver or a black or a grey color watch, nothing that's too blingy. You'll find many videos on YouTube on how to get ready for the interview. Now, don't go for the interview based solely on luck, like I said before, कि हाँ try कर लेते हैं, हो जाएगा, because it's not easy. And the competition right now, present day, is stronger than ever. Things are very different from the way they were 10 years ago. Now there's so much of awareness. Everyone wants to consider that, okay, even I could, try this or do this thanks to social media. But always remember that the best candidates will always get shortlisted no matter the competition. That's why I highly recommend signing up for my one-on-one interview prep coaching. Now moving on to our another airline, which is Akasa Air, which even men can apply for. But Akasa Air is not conducting walk-in interviews. It is invitation based, and invitation based में your CV is the one thing that is going to get you your invite. This is exactly what happened with one of my newly signed up candidates. She had applied for Akasa Air 1 year ago and she did not get any invitation. So after signing up, I saw her CV and there was a lot of work that needed to be done. So we revamped her CV, and in the same submitted application, I told her, just update the CV. Don't delete the application. Don't create a new account. Just CV अपना update कर दो and let's see what happens. And within 2 days, she received an invitation for a virtual interview that we had. Because of the virtual interview, I prepped her and now she has cleared her virtual interview and now is waiting for an invitation for an in-person interview. Interview prep coaching also includes CV and cover letter making. So अब हम Akasa Air की एप्लीकेशन के लिए अप्लाई कैसे करें? Go to akasaair.com, scroll down, go to careers page, then click on in-flight services. Click on cabin crew for freshers, click on apply now, and then create your account with your email ID and complete the application. So I hope आपको आज की वीडियो पसंद आई and now you have clarity whether you can go for the interview or how to apply, how to continue. And even if you are considering for signing up for my coaching, that is also a brilliant start, shows your seriousness towards this career. And always know that getting into domestic airline, even having 1 to 1.5 years of experience will open doors to international airline opportunities. A lot of people ask me कि क्या हम directly international में लग सकते हैं and don't have to work in domestic? Yes, ऐसा हो सकता है, but the moment you have a domestic airline experience in your CV, the airlines also have to consider that, especially international airlines. And just imagine how much experience and exposure you will receive अगर आप 1 या 2 साल भी किसी domestic airline में काम कर लो. That kind of exposure, no amount of preparation can give you. So the moment you show up for an international airline interview, the chances of you succeeding are really high. So concluding it, hope you really liked today's video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with a friend who wants to build a serious long-term career in aviation as cabin crew. And I will see you in my next one.